It has been estimated that 5% of Americans suffer from attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Most people call it ADHD. And for a lot of people, the treatment is the prescription drug Adderall. There is now concern, however, supplies are running low.
As KRON 4's Dan Kerman tells us, the Food and Drug Administration has confirmed there is now an official shortage of the drug and supply will not meet demand.
For those with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, both young and old, these blue pills, commonly known as Adderall, can make a big difference.
They offer so many advantages for kiddos in many different ways, both in obviously concentration, with being able to function in school and work as we have as they approach into adolescence, adulthood. They're able to help in so many different ways.
But this week, the Food and Drug Administration announced there's a shortage of the medication, and the amount being manufactured won't meet demand here in the U.S.
From what we're hearing, though, it looks like the shortage will last at least another few months. But the good news is that it's not a shortage where we're completely out of any product. We can get some product.
It's unclear why this is happening, though some point to reports that some 5 million more people now have Adderall prescriptions than before the pandemic began.
What I'm worried about is whether or not the increased demand for Adderall is due to increased misuse, addictive use, and diversion. Diversion being when drugs that are prescribed for an individual are then diverted to another individual to whom they were not prescribed.
Whatever the reason for the shortage, medical experts agree Adderall is not a drug that should be cut off abruptly without proper planning in advance.
These types of medicines are not things that they have to be properly weaned off if we're going to take them off. So we have to have a plan. We have to make sure we have enough product to be able. And if they're changing products, we need to make sure we give time for that to work also.
Experts say patients should meet with their physicians now and discuss alternatives, either different dosing, different medication, or even behavioral changes in place of medication. Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.
United